Whatever guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, this is Kenneth and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscription button so you'll be notified whenever we have new videos like this. For this DIY sessions, what we are going to do is gagawa tayo ng leather face mask. As we all know, face mask now is part of the new normal. So while we are still in this situation, we are required to wear a face mask. Before I was thinking of if we'll be able to do a leather version ng face mask, a lot of my friends are asking as well if pwede ba tayong gumawa ng ganun, makagawa ba tayo ng ganun, may available ba tayong ganyan. To be honest, I wasn't really a fan of the idea kasi di ba parang sobrang enclosed, sobrang init. Tapos pag naisip ko, it looks like something you'll see in horror movies or post-apocalyptic movies or sinusuot ng mga villains like Bane in Batman. But recently, I saw this YouTube channel and he offers a open source pattern for face mask. When I saw the video, I was challenged and I thought, what if I'll do my own spin on it? Try to tweak it a bit but use the same patterns. So I changed it a little. So here it is. So anyway, so here we go. I'll show you guys how to create your own leather DIY face mask. First in the step is to get your pattern. So as I mentioned a while ago, I got the pattern from this guy on YouTube, Hahns Atelier. I am putting the link below in the description for you to access the PDF and you can print your own pattern. Before cutting the leather according to the pattern, it's easier to punch the holes first so everything will be in place and it will not move that much. So as you can see, I put masking tape all over so it will not move a lot. I think you already noticed this, that I prefer to use a construction type hammer than a mallet. I actually bought 2 new punching holes for this one because I only have the small one before. And I think medyo mahirap huminga pag yung maliit lang. Once we have our holes done, it's time for us to cut the leather according to the patterns. You have to be careful when using your cutter because it's not a straight line, so you will not be able to use your straight edge or your steel ruler. So medyo freehand. So just a warning that this can be very dangerous. You can cut yourself, so just extra careful, guys. Once you cut your leather pieces, it's time for us to mark our holes for stitching. Because in the original video of how this was produced, meron siyang ginamit na guide, but I don't have that tool yet. So what I am doing is just manually tracing holes para equal yung distance niya. So what I did, I used my pricking iron, yung first two pointy things nila, itong parang tinidor. I used that as my reference for the perimeter para pare-pareho pa rin yung distance. So after marking manually, I punched the pricking iron so I'll get proper holes for stitching. I got this new tool which is a beveler. So this is used to taper or to bevel the edges. Before I don't have this, but when I was watching the original video and some of the Leathercraft in YouTube, so they are using this to create a smoother and cleaner edges. Good thing in the leather shop it's available. So I got this one. I'm so happy actually. Because I still don't have a wood sewing pony, so I thought I'll just use 2 bench block and then clamp it together to help me with my saddle stitching. Mukhang okay naman siya. Gumana naman. Now it's time to stitch. To add character to our leather mask, I am using a red wax thread instead of the brown one para mas ano lang siya, maarte. So this will serve as an accent color because we are using a very dark leather. corners, I thought I'll put a bit of an accent of the thread. So what I did is I looped it at the corners to create this kind of accent. So this is one of the main tweaks that I did in comparison with the original video and original source. So instead of using 2 straps for the head support, I'm using 1 long leather ties because this is the same as what I normally use for my leather journals. Also, by using this, it's easy to adjust kasi para siyang shoelace. So it's easy to adjust according to the size of your head. You just have to tie it at the back and then you're done. For filtration, you can use a piece of cotton cloth to put inside. So what I'm using right now is we got this mask we bought online. So that's what I thought will be nice to use. Hope you guys enjoyed our little Leathercraft DIY. There will be more coming up very soon. And once again, if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, just click on the subscription button below. I promise there will be more videos of travel, DIY, and decor very soon. So till next time, see you again. Bye!